Good morning, this is Kasturi De. Today I'm going to again discuss the matter chapter, that is the chemistry chapter according to ICC syllabus class 8. So today I'm starting with the kinetic theory of matter. It is this kinetic theory. What is this? This is a theory that reveals that any substance, whether it is a solid or liquid or gas, that is made up of tiny particles which are known as atoms, molecules or ions. Okay, very tiny particles they are made up of. It may be solid, liquid or gas, and these particles, these tiny particles, are either known as atoms, molecules or ions, which are in constant motion. These particles are in constant motions. Okay, the main postulates of this theory is all matter is composed of very small particles which are called atoms or molecules. The particles of the matter are of the same kind in all respects. In all respects, these atoms or molecules, they are of the similar kind. Okay, the particles are arranged in such a way that there are existing spaces in between them, that is intermolecular spaces we call it. These intermolecular spaces are the spaces between the particles, that is between either its atoms or molecules. The spaces between them, they are known as intermolecular spaces, between the molecules. Okay, the spaces between the molecules, these are known as intermolecular spaces. Now all particles exert a force that attracts them, that is intermolecular forces. Okay, these molecules, they exert a force which attracts themselves, okay, them together. These are known as intermolecular forces. This is the highest when particles are closely packed, that is in case of solids. Okay, and it is least when they are farther apart. Okay, when there is a distance, there the intermolecular forces is minimum. This force decreases with an increase in distance between them and vice versa. Particles are said to be in random and continuous motion. They are continuously moving. Okay, and randomly they are moving. All particles possess kinetic energy while in motion. We know that when anything is in motion, it has kinetic energy. So these particles, as they are in random motion and random and continuous motion, these particles have kinetic energy, and this motion increases with the increase in temperature and vice versa. That is, when the temperature increases, their motion, that is, they move more faster and their kinetic energy becomes more, and when the temperature is decreased, they move slower and their kinetic energy decreases. Okay, this is kinetic theory of matter. Now, states of matter. We know that there are three states of matter, that is solid, liquid and gas. Okay, the magnitude of intermolecular forces of attraction and intermolecular spaces and random motion of the molecules of matter lead to three main states of matter, that is solid, liquid and gas. What happens in solid? They have definite shape and definite volume. Here what happens, intermolecular forces of attraction is maximum in case of solids, intermolecular space is minimum. Okay, it's minimum in case of solids, that is very close to each other. That's why their intermolecular force of attraction is much more, and their motion is very limited. In case of solids, they vibrate, they move only to and fro within their specified limit. Okay, but in case of liquid, they have definite mass and volume but no definite shape. They take the shape of the container. So what happens, their intermolecular space increases in case of liquids. Intermolecular force of attraction is slightly less than of solids, and their motion, the motion of the molecules, are faster than the solids. Okay, that's why they do not have a definite shape and they take the shape of the container. In case of gases, what happens, they have definite mass but no definite shape and neither a definite volume. What happens in case of gas, their intermolecular space is maximum and intermolecular force of attraction is minimum, because the distance between the molecules is much more, that is space is much more, so therefore intermolecular force of attraction is the least in case of gases. And the molecules movement, movement of the molecules, that is maximum, that's very random in case of gases. Okay. Now, we come to the properties of the solid. They have definite shape and volume. They are very generally rigid, but some changes the shape on application of external force, like in rubber. You can press the rubber, okay, but it will come to its original shape as soon as you release that external force, okay. Then have any number of free spaces. They have lots of number of free spaces, okay. They have very small intermolecular forces. I'm sorry, they're very small intermolecular spaces but very strong intermolecular forces, okay. Generally they have high densities and dimensions do not increase in large proportion on heating or cooling. If you heat it or cool it, the dimension will not change. The shape will not increase, their area will not increase or so much, or it will not decrease on cooling so much, okay. When kept in contact with one another, they do not mix with each other, that is, they do not diffuse. In case of solids, very easily they will not diffuse. Then the explanation on the basis of the kinetic theory, kinetic model of the solids, okay. Here the particles, the molecules are closely packed. See, from the picture you can see they are very closely packed. The molecules are very closely packed. Therefore, they have strong force of attraction between the particles with negligible intermolecular spaces. See, there are very limited space between the molecules. Therefore, the molecules are not free to move. They vibrate about their mean position. This makes solid hard and rigid. That's why the solids are hard and rigid, and they are difficult to compress. You cannot generally you cannot compress the solids. So they have a fixed shape and size and fixed volume. They have low kinetic energy because the molecules do not move very randomly, and so therefore they have low kinetic energy. For example, all metals, wood, rock, etc. Next we come to liquids. They have definite mass and volume. They do not have a definite shape but take the shape of the container. Forces of attraction is less than that of the solid. That's why they can flow. Then intermolecular spaces are larger than in the solids, and so you can slightly compress them than the solids. Okay, they have one free space, that is the upper portion of the container. When you pour it in a container, the upper layer, that is free space, okay. The density is relatively less than the solids. They expand far more than the solids on heating and contract far more on cooling. The particles of the two different liquids can diffuse in one another depending upon the nature of the molecules of the liquids. For example, milk and water, they can easily diffuse into one another, but the particles of oil and water, they do not diffuse. Okay, that depending upon the nature, they can diffuse into one another. Okay. Next is explanation of a liquid on the basis of kinetic model. Okay, the particles are not very closely packed. See, from the picture you can see the molecules are not very closely packed as it was in the solids. Intermolecular forces of attraction are not as strong as in the solids, so therefore they have intermolecular spaces are larger. Okay, the molecules are loosely packed, so they can be compressed. Then particles able to move freely and randomly, so they have kinetic energy, more kinetic energy than the solids, and they can flow and they can take the shape of the container. Therefore, they have a fixed volume but no definite shape. Okay, next we come to the gas properties. They have a definite mass. They do not have a definite volume or shape and occupy the entire space of the container. As soon as you pour into a container, the total space of the container is occupied by a gas. Then they have a very large intermolecular space as compared to solids or liquids. That's why they are highly compressible. Say the LPG gas, you can compress it into a cylinder. That's an example of it. Then they have highly negligible intermolecular forces, so they can occupy the entire space of the container. Excuse me. They have no free surface. They expand to a large extent when heated and contract to a large extent when they are cooled. then they can diffuse into one another very rapidly to form a homogeneous mixture due to their larger intermolecular spaces between the molecules. Then density is extremely low as compared to the solids and the liquid. Then explanation of the liquid on the basis of kinetic model. Their intermolecular forces of attraction are negligible. Particles lie apart from each other, therefore the intermolecular spaces are very large, so they can be compressed very easily. Very weak forces, their forces of attraction is very weak, so they are free to move within the entire space available to them. They have, as the molecules are moving randomly, so they have high kinetic energy, and so the particles collide with each other, also with the walls of the container. So they do not have a free fixed shape nor a fixed volume. Okay, see, another note, that substances that can flow, they are known as fluids. Both gases and liquids, we know both gases and liquids can flow, therefore they are fluids. A container which has a liquid or a gas that is opened, then both can flow out of the container. If the container which has a liquid or a gas, if it is open, then both of them can flow out of the container. Gases can flow in all directions, but liquid can flow only downward, that is towards the gravity, and not against the gravity on their own. Okay, so I'll stop here. I'll continue with the rest of the chapter in my next video. Okay, today probably with this video I'll upload another physics question answers section which was not discussed earlier, so I'll start with discussing with that. So 2 videos I will be uploading today. So thank you for watching, and please do subscribe, and please do like the video, and also share with your friends so that they can also be benefited from this. And please do watch the total video, otherwise it will be the views are coming down, and so it will be very difficult for me to continue with this videos. Okay, so please do watch the full video. Okay, thank you.